Devon and I are out in Davie, Florida today to repair 5 mainline leaks out on this property, and we're at the first one. Let me show you what it looks like. Let's start with the fact that this is under a giant tree, and it's right here. So, hard to see, but the pipe's in there. We're gonna get all these roots cut out of the way, dig this up, see what we're dealing with. All right, so there you have it, a 3x2 T break. The T was actually cracked right here, but the pipe was separated here. That's where most of the water was coming out. We cut the pipe, make sure we got some play on it so that we can put this back together. I'm gonna use a certain fitting for this. So I'm gonna go dig up another one of these breaks before I repair this, and when I get that fitting, I'm gonna make the video that shows you how I'm gonna repair it. Unfortunately, Site 1 didn't have the fitting I wanted to use to make this repair, so we're gonna use a slip fix. Thanks for cutting that piece of pipe for me, Devon. Now I can show you guys what we'll be fixing this with. There's the original pipe there, that's schedule 160. We're gonna be installing schedule 40. You can see the clear difference in the thickness of this pipe. This will be a solid repair when we're done.